our channel. Today we are going to be drafting a basic sleeve pattern. So before I start, please like, subscribe and share this video, and also do not forget to click on the notification button so you can have a reminder, get a reminder that whenever I upload a video. So the tools you're going to need for this, you're going to need a ruler, any type of ruler, or scissors, a pattern paper, pens, marker, any one you feel like comfortable using. So let's start the pattern. So the first thing you're going to do is to draw a line in the middle of your pattern. Because you're going to be putting equal measurements on both sides, so it has to be in the middle. So here is my straight line, so I'm gonna start to input my measurements in there. So first we need the length of the sleeve. So the length of my sleeve is 26 inches. To measure the length of your sleeve, please slightly bend your elbow to get an accurate, to give it the ease of your elbow moving around and stuff like that. So I'm gonna measure 26 inches here. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to be marking the biceps line, the elbow line. So for my biceps, I'm going to use 4 inches, and for the elbow it's going to be 15 inches. So the next thing we're going to do now is to put the circumference of your biceps. So my bicep is 16 inches, so I'm going to put 8 inches on this side and 8 inches on this side. So let me measure it. 8 inches. 8 inches right here. And 8 inches right here. Now we go to the elbow. The elbow is 13 inches, so 13 inches divided by 2 is 6.5. So 6.5 on this side and 6.5 on this side, and we'll connect them with a straight line. Now to the wrist, I'm going to be using 10 inches for my wrist, so 5 inches on this side and 5 inches on this side. So I'm going to connect them with a straight line. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to connect the bicep line to the elbow line and to the wrist line. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Now the next thing we're going to do is draft the sleeve cap, which is the top of the sleeve. So we're going to draw a line from the top of the line here to meet the bicep line. do the same thing on the other side. So now here is your sleeve, but we need to draft this cap of the sleeve. So I'm gonna use this part for the front. I'm gonna label it F, and this part for the back, label it B. So this line, we're gonna put measure it, which is 9 inches, and we're gonna divide it by 4. So to make it easier, half of 9 inches is 4.5, and half of 4.5 is 2 1/4. 2 1/4 here as well. Now we're gonna draw the cap in the front. So this we've divided into 4, and it has 3 lines. So this will be the middle. So here we're going to come out by 0.75 inch, and at the bottom here we're gonna come in by 0.7 as well. So we're gonna draw a line to make this and come to the middle, this, and end it here. So now you can use your hand you can use your hand, or you can use your pattern tools as well. Let me use another color of pen. So that's the front part. Now to the back, this line we're going to divide it by 3. So this is 9 inch, so half of 9 inch is 4.5, and half of 4.5 is 2 1/4. So that's 1 2 3. So this last part too, you divide it by 2. So you see that it's a different way of dividing it, the front and the back. So it's 3 inches at this little part, so 1.5, half of it is 1.5. So we're gonna do the same thing we did there. So we'll come out by 1.5 on the first marking we did, and here we're gonna come in by 1.5 here. Now we'll connect it. So I'm going to use my pattern master to do it. So we do it this way because when you're cutting your basic body pattern, the back front armhole is cut differently. It's more curvy than the back armhole, so it has to be reflect on the sleeve as well. So now let's cut it out. Here is your basic sleeve pattern. So this pattern, sewing allowance is not included. So when you are trying to cut your sleeve, you have to include sewing allowance. You can use 1 inch on both sides here and half an inch at the bottom, half an inch on the sleeve cap. So that is that. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. So if you have any question, please put in the comment section, and also you can comment there as well. So please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video. Is free. So thank you very much. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.